Show me an agency that's added $500,000 in new monthly revenue to one client in 90 days, all while keeping their margins intact the entire time and didn't ship a new creative concept in the first 30. I'll wait. That's Blessed Performance. We took them on in December 2025 at $1.39 million a month. Inside 90 days, they hit almost $2 million. $1.95 million, since I'm being exact here. If the trajectory holds, that's another $6.7 million in new annual revenue this year, closer to $3 million a month by December. We never let their margins slip because revenue that costs you your profitability isn't growth. It's a slower way to go out of business. We didn't write better ads to do it. Before Blessed, we did this for Celsius. 33% lift in product sales over 6 months. Same product, same packaging, same creative team. Before that, MSCHF, 140% ROAS increased quarter over quarter while every brand in their category was blaming the algorithm. 3 different brands, 3 different transformations, same approach. I'm Camilla, partner at OmniFunnel Marketing. Most businesses spending serious money on marketing don't have an advertising problem. They have a diagnosis problem. They've been treated like a patient walking into an emergency room and getting prescription medication before anyone takes their blood pressure. Your last 3 agencies pitched you ads, SEO, creative, without ever running the diagnostic first. The underlying condition never went away. For Blessed, the constraint was tracking and attribution. The platforms were optimizing towards the wrong customers because the data flowing back was incomplete. We rebuilt it server-side, fed margin data into the bidding algorithms, and the same ad spend started producing 1.66, then 1.95. Same campaigns, better data. Here's what we'll do for you. Complimentary. A full forensic growth audit run personally by our founder, Michael Tate, who's been a growth operator since 1998. Not a pitch deck, not a sales call, a real diagnostic across 7 areas most agencies never examine. You keep the full audit, whether or not we work together. Agencies charge thousands for this analysis. What we find almost every single time pays for our engagement in the first month before we ever scale a single dollar of new spend. We work with e-commerce brands doing $5 million or more annually, spending at least $50,000 a month on marketing. Fill out the application below. I'll see you on the call.